You gotta slow down your life or you're gonna be dead. Cut out the struggle and the strife, it only complicates your life. Well, I cut down women, I cut down booze, I stopped ironing my shirts, cleaning my shoes, I stopped going to work, I stopped reading the news, sitting twiddling my thumbs cause I got nothing to do. Minimal exercise to help complicate my life. Gotta stand and face it, life is so complicated. La-di-da-di-da. Such a complicated life, like old Mother Hubbard, that nothing in the cupboard. Got no dinner and I got no supper. Holes in my shoes, I got holes in my socks. I can't go to work cause I can't get a job. The bills are rising sky high. It's such a complicated life. Gotta stand and face it, life is so complicated. La-di-da-di-da. Gotta get away from the complicated life, son. We gotta get away from the complicated life.